So as we go to this next section, as I mentioned, this kind of changes to a major feel. So I'm going to change the way I play these chords. It's also kind of all in. I'm strumming through all of my strings, just playing these big, nice open chords. So the chords that we're going to play are a B. And to play the B, I'm going to be up here on the 7th fret. So on the 6th string, I'm going to be on my 7th fret, which is a B. And then on the next 2 strings, I'm going to be on the 7th fret, so with my ring finger and my pinky. So again, kind of that B power chord there, or bar chord. And then on the next string on the G, I am on the 8th fret. And then the top 2 strings are open. So that chord's going to sound like this. So just a big, nice, open, full chord. The next chord we'll play is an A, and we're just going to take this same formation and slide it down the neck 2 frets, so down to the 5th fret. That's going to be our A. The next chord is a little bit different. You could play an E probably. So if you wanted to just take these and slide them all the way down and open E like that. But it kind of sounds like they're playing that E over G sharp. And the way I would play this is on the 6th string, I'm going to play the 4th fret, and I like to play with my thumb, but you can come around here with your index finger if you want to. But I'm going to play the 4th fret. On the A string, I'm going to mute it, and then the next 2 strings also on the 4th fret. And then these strings open also. So that'll sound something like this. So that's an E over G sharp. And then we're going to go back to our formation that we played before on the 3rd fret, which is going to be a G, and then an A, back up to an A, and then back up to a B. So those are the chords we're using.